Would you like to know how to make this bread without an oven? If yes, just keep watching. Life of Pang. Last week, I baked bread in my rice cooker. Well, this week, I'm going to try baking the same bread in my pressure cooker. This is a no-knead yeast bread with a 3-hour quick rise. If you did not watch my rice cooker bread, I'll have the link below and at the end of this video. Put your yeast on one side of the bowl. And put your salt on the other side of the bowl. Try not to let the salt come in direct contact with the yeast. Mix each into the flour. And then mix it all together. Only mix your dough until it is combined. Don't overmix it. Cover it tightly and set it in a warm area of your house to rise for 2 hours. Dust the dough with flour as needed to fold the dough over a few times. This folding over will help to give you a nice outer skin. And then shape the dough into a ball. And we want to dust it with more flour to prevent it from sticking to the cover. Now place this in a warm area of your house. Carefully place your dough into the hot pot. Close and lock the lid tightly and make sure the pressure valve is closed. This is after the second bake. And just feeling the top here, I can tell that the bread is done. But I do want the top a little bit more browned, so I'm going to bake it for another 15 minutes with the lid loosely covered. And oh yeah, look at that perfect color on top. Allow your bread to cool completely for an hour or more before cutting it. Oh, and one way to tell if your bread is done is when you knock on the bottom, it should make a hollow sound. If you cut into your bread and it's not done yet, just put it back in the pot or oven and bake it again. Now this one feels very light and the bottom is hard, which is perfect. And now that is a beautiful bread. This is light and airy and definitely bread texture. Your family will anxiously wait for this bread to cool. This is much better than the rice cooker bread. But if you don't have an oven and only have a rice cooker, it will still be better than no bread at all, right? Okay, somebody wants a slice. Try this method and let me know how yours turn out. Hey, you made it to the end. That must mean you like it, right? And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that notification bell. That way you know when I upload new videos. And it would mean so much to me if you could share my channel, my videos with your friends and families and ask them to subscribe as well. And I should hope that you will come back and watch more videos. But until next time, happy baking!